Hello guys, so are you on keto and wondering what to have for dinner? Let us give you a good option to satiate yourself for long. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you the amazing recipe of keto vegetable lasagna. So without ado, let's get started with the ingredients. We will take mushrooms, bell pepper, cauliflower, cottage cheese, yellow bell pepper, cabbage, capsicum and onion. Also we'll need some butter, cheese, homemade red chili sauce and 2 tablespoons finely chopped garlic and Italian herbs and seasoning. We will start by boiling cauliflower florets and cabbage leaves in a pan. We will keep it aside for about 10 minutes till our cabbage leaves and cauliflower florets get soft. Parallelly, we'll take a pan and we'll add 1 tablespoon of butter to it. Once the butter melts, we will add 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic to it. Saute it a bit and then start adding all the vegetables one by one. We will start by adding small onion finely chopped. Saute it well. Here comes very important tip for this recipe, which is go and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now we will add half chopped capsicum, chopped yellow and red bell pepper and sliced mushrooms. Mix them well. Add cottage cheese and give it a good mix. Now it's time to add boiled cauliflower. The best part about this lasagna is that you can choose vegetables of your choice, but make sure that you are using only keto-friendly veggies. If you want, you can also add some grilled chicken to the mix. Here I am doing vegetable lasagna recipe, so I am not adding anything like that. But you are totally allowed to play with the mix. Now it's time to sprinkle some salt. You can add salt as per your taste. Now we will sprinkle some herbs and seasoning onto the mix. If you want, you can also add black pepper or any other herbs of your choice. As you can see, our sauteed vegetable mix is ready. So now we will assemble our lasagna. We will start by taking a glass bowl. Our first layer will be parboiled cabbage leaves. Align them just like this. If you want, you can replace this with lettuce leaves as well. It's entirely your choice. Now we will apply some homemade red chili sauce all over the cabbage leaves. If you have any other keto-friendly sauce or dressing handy, you can use that as well. Once nicely spread, we will start layering our veggies. Now we will add a layer of sauteed veggies all over the cabbage leaves. If you want your veggies to be crunchier, you can directly bake them as well. I prefer them sauteed beforehand. The best part about this dish is, in addition to being colorful, it is flavorsome as well. Now it's time to add a layer of shredded mozzarella cheese. On top of this, we'll add a layer of cheese slices. Make sure to properly cover the vegetable layer. Once our cheese layer is done, we will add some Italian herbs and seasoning to it. Then add some homemade red chili sauce on top of it. You can use any other keto-friendly sauce as per your taste. Spread it well and get ready to add sauteed vegetables on top of this cheese. Again, we will repeat the process and will fill entire sorted vegetables all over this cheese layer. Once done, we will add the layer of shredded mozzarella cheese all over the veggies, just like we did before. Spread it just like this. Finally, it's time to put our topmost layer of our lasagna, which is cheese slices. Cover the top completely with cheese slices, just like this. Once done, add some herbs and seasoning on top of it. Here I am also adding some chili flakes to spice it up a little bit. Finally, we will add some homemade red chili sauce drops all over the mix. And our lasagna is ready to get baked. Look at the layers of our lasagna, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Who would not want this kaleidoscopic lip-smacking dish? We will bake it at 200 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. This temperature may vary according to your oven, so be mindful of that. And our delicious keto vegetable lasagna is ready, guys. Cheese lovers, this dish is for you. You must try it. If you like our recipe, give us a thumbs up and do share with your friends and family. If you are on a keto diet just like us, do try this recipe and tag us on our Insta handle @kodos.cookbook. We really love when you share your feedback with us. Do let us know in the comment section that what changes you made to this recipe to make your own customized keto vegetable lasagna. Our keto vegetable lasagna is ready right in time for dinner. So we are going to have it now. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in next video.